In this video, we're going to add an extra part of detail to this cactus. So the first thing you're going to want to do is add a new layer, and we're going to call this one Cactus 1. You then need to click on this cactus and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard, and then click back onto Cactus 1 and press Ctrl+V. So we've now got two cactus shapes. This one I'm going to make much smaller, and I'm going to rotate it slightly as I want it to attach to the main plant. As you can see, it's sitting behind the main plant at the moment, and I'd like it to sit in front. So I'm going to click and drag and make sure it's above cactus layer, and you can see now it's sitting in front. I'm then going to drag out the white areas. So you can see we've got it stopping at 25. I'm going to drag it out to 40 this time, and I'm going to do that for each of the layers. I'm going to take the red tool back to the start of Cactus 1, which is here, and I'm going to add a tween. Make sure you're selected on Cactus 1. And again, like we did before, I'm going to make this really small so that it will appear like it's growing. I'm going to drag the red tool again, and I'm going to add a tween. This time I'm going to make it bigger. You can move it, rotate it to the position you want. And again, I'm going to click on this tween and change the easing type to out, so that when we press play, you'll see that the whole plant is growing, including that new bit we've just added.